At this fashion show in Beijing, the model is wearing clothes made from a unique fabric called xiangyun sha, regarded as the finest of all silks. Xiangyun sha translates into fragrant cloud yarn, and it's made of natural materials and is typically black and tan in color. It's highly breathable, has strong resistance to water, and is not easily creased. The dyeing and finishing process is considered an intangible cultural heritage. At a factory in the Shunde district in Foshan in Guangdong, you'll find the only dyeing operation in the world that produces xiangyun yarn, which is made only during the summer and autumn months. The primary dyeing material is a plant called ranunculus. The juice that is extracted is brown in color and has antiseptic properties. Craftsmen first put white silk woven from mulberry silk into a wooden barrel filled with the juice, ensuring that the materials are completely submerged. Then a grey silk is spread out onto the grass outside the workshop. Workers use wooden stakes, bamboo poles, and other tools to firmly fix the material onto the ground before it's dried by the sun. Once the surface of the silk turns a brownish yellow, it's then ready for the next step. Craftsmen dip the silk into another large pot filled with the liquid, but this time they cook it over an open flame. They stir the mixture using the bamboo pole to ensure that every inch is evenly absorbed. They then place the cooked silk into the sun to dry once again, gradually revealing different shades of tan. The next step is a unique one. The designers and craftsmen extract and filter mud from a nearby riverbed and spread the mud onto one side of the silk. The mud is rich in ferric chloride, which produces a chemical reaction to form a resin-like film on the surface of the silk. Once it dries completely, they place the silk into the river to wash it. The material is then brushed and spread out onto the grass until it completely dries. This process of dyeing, drying, mud coating and washing is very time-consuming and requires a lot of labor. And it's partly for that reason that xiangyun yarn has become the most expensive silk in the world, in demand from Chinese and international fashion designers. The material has a special glow to it, making the clothes it's made from even more unique.
Please give a warm welcome for James Chau.
I'm James Chau, host of the China Current, with a glimpse into tomorrow's world and stories about the human experience everywhere.